Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect MetaTrader 4 to TradingView in 2026. Now, when you come here on TradingView.com and launch any of the charts, when you click on the option of the trading panel in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, it is going to show you the list of all of the trusted brokers which you can easily connect with your TradingView account. But if you look at it, you won't be able to find any of the MT4 applications here. You can also use the search bar on the top, and when you type MT4, you won't be able to find its application over here. It's because currently you can't connect your MT4 account with TradingView directly. However, there is a method for you to use both of these together. So when you are here on TradingView, simply click on the watch list icon on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, you just have to select any of the pairs in which you usually trade. For example, let's say you usually trade in Bitcoin. So after launching the chart of Bitcoin or any of the pairs or the currencies, you just have to simply start using these tools that are available here in the left hand side. You need to provide your technical skills, you need to analyze the chart, and then when you have found a trade and when you want to punch the order, simply open a new tab in your web browser. Here in the search bar, you need to search for metatrader4.com. So when you are here on MetaTrader 4, you can either download MetaTrader 4 on your device, or you can also continue with the web browser option. So there you need to provide your MT5 login credentials, which you have received from your broker or from your funded accounts. After providing those details, you just have to basically start punching your order or start placing your order after the analysis on TradingView or based on what you have analyzed here in TradingView. So with the help of this method, you will be able to use both of these simultaneously. Only just one step is added. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.